With that omni sack, there's magic in your hands. A traveler in time, you fight for goodness. Smart Billy, a go-getter. She's the evil one, and you can do it with your friends, hand in hand. He's coming to the rescue. Sport Billy, good sport, Sport Billy.
Gosh, the Taj Mahal. It's breathtaking, Billy.
The most beautiful building in India, perhaps in all the world. And there's the field hockey stadium. Wow, look at that crowd. Now I understand why it's India's national sport.
And it looks like we're not a moment too soon for you to officially open the national playoffs.
Right. Hang on, gang. Prepare to land. Willie, I hope you packed my field hockey ball.
Attention! Sport Billy will now toss out one of his own official Sport Billy field hockey balls to begin the playoffs.
Hey, Willie, where's the ball?
I think we left it in the locker room. Go get it, Willie.
Uh-oh! Better hide!
There it is, right where I left it. Wow, wow, rough.
Thanks, Willie. All right, folks. Thanks for your patience. And now I officially open the National Field Hockey Playoffs. And may the Sport Billy hockey ball represent the spirit of fair play you will see this afternoon between the Bengal Tigers and the Rampur Raiders.
We'll see how much fair play they can stand with that remote-control soccer ball.
Oh, I can hardly wait, your omnipotent awfulness. I can hardly wait.
Well, Sype, the remote controls.
Huh? Oh, right.
My ball, let me have the ball, it's my ball. Hey, what are you doing with the ball? It's my ball.
This is terrible! Foul out there! You two, both to the penalty box! That goes for you over there. To the penalty box. This is terrible, Spot Billy. Both teams are fouling up one play after another. Foul, all of you. Get in the penalty box.
Whoopee! I never knew I could be so evil by remote control. I love gadgets.
Both entire teams are in the penalty box for poor sportsmanship. This is a disgrace. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to cancel today's game. We shall resume the playoffs in exactly 2 days. Hopefully, both teams will be fully investigated.
I don't think it's either team's fault, sir.
What do you mean? You saw the poor sportsmanship out here.
This ball is the problem.
You're right, Billy. That may look like your ball, but it sure isn't acting like it. Coco, prepare for part 2 of my plan.
Ready on this end.
All ready for part 2. Oh, boy, am I ready. What is part 2, my queen?
We put an electrostatic shield around the Taj Mahal so that in 2 days, we not only ruin India's national sport, but I remove the Taj Mahal to Andalusia.
Right. For a summer palace.
And the best part is that Sport Billy will get the blame for it all.
If this ball is to blame, so am I for starting the games with it.
Correct, Sport Billy. Your troubles are just beginning. Throw the shield switch.
Yes, your evilness.
Billy, the ball is causing the Taj Mahal to glow.
This is an accursed day for India. First the games, now our beloved Taj Mahal is endangered.
This ball is the key to the problem. Come on, Lily and Willie, to the time ship.
Ready!
Come in, Sporticus and Pandusa. We need help, but fast.
We get your message loud and clear, Billy.
We've been watching this bizarre event.
Ah, yes. Even as we speak, the computer is working on the mystery.
Place the ball on the computer for analysis, Billy.
Check. I guess this is all we have to go on.
The computer is ready. Stand by.
The ball is a fake. It was controlled by Vanda to disrupt the games.
But what about the Taj Mahal? Does Vanda intend to destroy it?
Vanda has activated first stage toward beaming Taj Mahal to Andalusia in 2 days.
Oh, no.
There's got to be a way to stop her.
You could set up a laser shield around the Taj Mahal, but you need exact dimensions of the building, or it could be destroyed.
Exact dimensions not available. Unless... One moment, please. Stand by. Exact plans for the Taj Mahal may be known by a descendant of original designer, Ramir by name.
Where can we find him?
Young Ramir lives deep in the jungles of northern India.
It's a long shot, but we've got to go find Ramir.
And hope he has the exact plans for the Taj Mahal.
We're off to the jungles of the Himalayas.
Oh, Billy, how are we ever going to find Ramir in this thick jungle?
If Ramir is the true descendant of the designer of the Taj Mahal, his work will lead us to him.
That's where you're wrong, Sport Billy. Shape, Coco, drop the net from the Negasack.
I spoke too soon.
Sight to Vanda. Mission accomplished. Sport Billy won't be going anywhere.
Well, don't just stand around gloating. Find young Ramir!
He'd never be a part of your evil plans, Vanda.
Just so he doesn't help you, Sport Billy.
What about Sport Billy and his friends, your evilness?
We'll tend to them after you capture the young architect.
Yes, my queen.
See you later, fur face.
Oh, how I'd like to stuff a pillow with this guy.
We've got to get to Ramir before they do, Billy.
Right, Lily. First, to get out of this mess. This is some kind of steel mesh. We need mountain climber wire cutters. Time for the Omnisac. There, that did it.
We can't let them get to Ramir before us.
Right, Lily. I've spotted where Ramir lives. That valley below.
And if this map is correct, we're heading into the Valley of the Beasts. Gee, I wonder what kind of beasts we'll meet.
I'll keep the Omnisac on alert status. Hey, what?
Billy, your Omnisac!
Where are your manners, Gloopa? Apologize to these nice people.
We're Lily, Willie, and Sport Billy. And would you be the young Ramir, the architect?
Just Ramir will do. Can I offer you the hospitality of my humble dwelling below?
Yes, but we haven't much time to spare.
You sure know how to deal with wild beasts.
They are all my friends. I trust in them more than people. Come, lead the way, Gloopa. I must borrow your child for a getaway, madam.
India's national sport of field hockey is at stake.
And so is the Taj Mahal. You must help if you can, Ramir.
I am afraid I must refuse. I would rather share my life and work with my friends, the beasts.
But how? Why?
Ramir, who built this model?
I did? Why?
Then this is an exact replica of the Taj Mahal.
That is correct.
With this, you could help us stop Vanda and her evil plan?
Why should I? She has done me and my animal friends no harm.
It's dark. We need some light. Uh-oh. Now you've done it. Fire! Fire!
What can we do to convince you?
I am sorry. I am content to stay here with my animals.
Vanda and her evil companions would not hesitate to turn your animal friends against you to stop you from helping India.
My animal friends would never turn on me.
Don't count on it. Look, someone has set a fire.
Sipe, what have you done?
Help! Fire! Fire! Yipe! He's lost his head!
Come, my friends. Do not panic.
Even friendly beasts will panic and fire, Ramir. Those clouds are the only chance. Here, Willie, your Omnicolor. To the time ship, quick! It's our only hope.
Ramir, look out behind you!
Simba, no. It is I, Ramir, your friend.
He's too frightened to listen. Heads up, Ramir.
That's a cursed Omnisac! Sipe, Poco, get that Omnisac away from Billy!
I'm afraid I can't help at the present, my queen. You see, the baby's mama wants him back, and... The fire! Turn around, go back to your mama, go already!
Sport Billy to Willie. Come in, time ship. Get here, Willie.
My animal friends must flee.
There's one slim chance. Come on, Willie. Thank heavens you made it, Willie. Quick, seed the clouds with the dry ice crystals from the coolant unit. Push the red button.
And hope for rain. Oh, the storm jammed my vandoscope. Come in, Sipe. Where are you, Sipe and Coco? Blast! I don't need the vandoscope to take the Taj Mahal. I shall have it tomorrow. The computer is set in motion. Now, back to the site of the Taj Mahal, and just in time to open the games again, Billy.
And hopefully in time to stop Vanda from stealing the Taj Mahal. Thanks to Ramir.
It is the least I can do for saving my life and my animals.
Just in time. And as I feared, Vanda still has control over the Taj Mahal.
Now it's up to the computer. The computer is absorbing the exact dimensions of this Taj Mahal model you built, Ramir. Ah, here we go.
Exact dimensions now programmed for shield from Vanda's transmutation ray. Deflector shield ready for activation.
I'm going down, Willie. Hand me the field hockey ball.
I have learned much from you, Sport Billy. How else can I repay you before I return to my native seclusion?
Give Lily a hand while I start the games. And stand by. You may not want to go back so soon.
I doubt that. I will help my country, but it does not need an architect like me.
We'll see. Let's bring her down.
Once again, we commence the National Field Hockey Playoff, I hope, with Sport Billy officiating.
Ladies and gentlemen, let the games begin.
All seems to be going well, Sport Billy, but I still don't like the glow around our beloved Taj Mahal.
Okay in the time ship.
All coordinates are locked in.
Throw the resistance shield on.
As you say.
Deflect Vanda's ray to that old condemned building.
Roger, Sport Billy. Hooray! We did it! The Taj Mahal is saved!
Rough, Taj Mahal.
Bring Ramir down here for a hero's welcome.
Aye, aye, sir.
Thank you. And all India hopes that we will see the work from such a talented architect, and soon.
But what shall I build?
You might try something to fill that empty site. Perhaps something to keep the Taj Mahal company and carry on a proud family tradition.
I was a proud and foolish young man. Today my country has forgiven me. I will do my very best to prove my countrymen's trust in me.
I'm sure you will, Ramir.
And I'm sure you will design beautiful buildings for your country.
Say, that reminds me. I hope Vanda likes her new summer palace.
Sipe! Coco! Someone! Get me out of here!
Gosh, Lily, we certainly saw a lot in India, didn't we?
I can hardly believe it.
Me either. And I'm glad Ramir is going to build some more beautiful buildings.
Personally, I could use a new doghouse.
I hope we get a chance to go back someday. I want to see the Taj Mahal inside and out. After all, beauty like that is more than just skin deep.
Sail across the sea, guided by eternal beauty. Oh, the day he reached the shore and overcame all his battles, he held her in his arms and said, "Girl, you're all that matters, 'cause you're so beautiful inside and out, not only skin deep, you're so beautiful inside and out, not only skin deep, not only skin deep.